Hi everyone. We're going to solve the equation, this first one here. I'm going to separate these into 3 different videos, so I'll call this one part 1. And when we're doing this, this is more the advanced one with the calculator. Make sure your calculator is in radian mode because of the decimals and everything. So we're going to start with the first one, and we want to simplify this first. So what we're going to do is subtract 2.564 from both sides. So basically what you're going to get 5 sine of 3x equals, when you subtract this from both sides here, you're going to get negative 3.38. Then you divide both sides by 5, so you get sine of 3x equals negative 0.676. Okay, so this is our primary angle is 3x. So I'm going to make a secondary angle here and just say sine of theta equals negative. Well, I'm going to do the absolute value of this and use reference angles to figure out what this would be if this was just alpha. So we go over here, and if I do reference angles here, we remember that all trig functions are positive in quadrant 1. Sine is positive in quadrant 2. Tan is positive in quadrant 3. And cosine is positive in quadrant 4. Since we want sine, and our sine is negative, because we have, let me write this out, sine of 3x equals negative 0.676. We know that sine is negative in quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. And the reason I want to make the secondary angle absolute value is I just want to see what that would be in this first quadrant, because that's your reference angle basically. So when I do that, I'm going to just, I know that this angle here is 0.676. So to get this angle here, and we also need this one here based off reference angles. So basically to get this angle from here, I'm going to take pi plus 0.676. That should be a 6. And that's going to give you 3.82. So this whole angle here is 3.82. And then for this one, to get that one, I'm really going to take 2 pi minus my 676. I can't say it. So I take 2 pi minus 0.676, and that's going to give me 5.61. So this whole angle here is that. Now I'm going to go back to my primary angle and solve further. So I'm going to write 3x equals 3.82, and then the period for sine is 2 pi. I'm just going to put a k for the rotation, and I'm also going to write 3x equals 5.61 plus 2 pi k. And I want to solve for x, so you divide everything by 3, and you get x equals 1.27 plus 2/3 pi k, and this one's going to be x equals 1.87 plus 2/3 pi k. All right, and don't forget, our interval we want to solve on is from 0 to what? 10. It's from 0 to 10. So all you're going to do is you're going to let k equal 0 and just keep adding 2 pi to it, which remember pi is 3.14, so 2 pi would be 6.18 or 28. So basically, our first, if I just take this side, one of my solutions is 1.27, and I'm going to add 2/3 pi. Keep adding it till we get to 10. This is approximately 2.09. It's better if you use the calculator and use pi. And if you keep adding to that, so 1.27 plus 2 pi divided by 3 is going to give you 3.36. And then 3.36 plus, you can just do 2.09 if you want. It's not as accurate, but you could do that. You get 5.45. Add this again to 5.45 and you get 7.54. Add it again, you get 9.63, and we know we can't go bigger than that. So that's for this side. And you do the same thing for this one. If k is 0, it's just 1.87, and you can keep adding 2.09, or just put this in your calculator and just keep adding it to the previous term. So this one's going to give you 3.93, 6.02, 8.11. If I add it again, I'll get 10.02, which is too big. So there's your solutions. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 total solutions. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.